people are overloaded today from a lot of things. They are bombed by television, from newspapers, magazines, a lot of information, but not knowledge. Here, because we have no electricity, no radio, no television, no newspapers, we live the life. We don't read the life. We don't live the life of others by looking at TV. We live our real life, and the people liked this because it is the life they have lost. And they discover again that it is not necessary to have all these things that TV tries to persuade you that you need all this. We need less than we think. And here people can see it, and they are comfort. They calm down, they discover again themselves, the real meaning of life, and they see that they can have a beautiful and happy life with less things.